Welcome to section 6 of the course, which is performing linear and logistic regression. In this section, we will first understand what is regression and what are the different types of regression. Then, we will build a simple linear regression model for electronic dataset. Then, we will build multiple regression model again using the electronic dataset but with different variables. And then at the end, we will look at what is logistic regression, and we will build a logistic regression model using cancer remission dataset. This will be used to predict the probability of cancer remission in the patients. Let's first have a look at what is regression. Regression analysis is a statistical method which is used to determine the relationship between two or more variables. It is primarily used for prediction and forecasting, and also to infer relationships between independent and dependent variables. Thus, regression analysis predicts trends and future values. Regression is a form of supervised learning where prediction of dependent variables is done with the help of independent variables. The data is also labeled in these cases. Dependent variable is the variable which is being predicted or targeted. It is represented as y in the equation which we will see. Independent variables are the variables which help in the prediction of the dependent variable. It is represented as x in the equation. Say for example, given the data of temperature and sales, we can predict the sales of ice creams. Here, sales would be the dependent variable and temperature would be the independent variable. So higher the temperature, higher the sales of the ice cream. Mathematically, regression is denoted by the following equation. We have y is equal to function of x1, x2, x3 and so on, where y is the dependent variable and x1, x2, x3 and so on are the independent variables. There are two types of variables which are available in regression. First is continuous variables and second are binary or dichotomous variables. Continuous variables are those variables that has a scalar quantity and are measurable. For example, temperature, height of students in a class, weight of students in a class, sales, profit, etc. Binary variables or dichotomous variables are those variables that have the binary values or have only two levels, like 1 or 0, yes or no, and true or false. There are several types of regression analysis available based on the dependent variables and the number of independent variables. Broadly, they are classified as linear regression and logistic regression. Linear regression displays linear relationship between the dependent and independent variables. Further, linear regression is classified as simple linear regression and multiple linear regression. Simple linear regression is the one in which we have one dependent variable, which could be any variable, and one independent variable, which can be any interval or ratio or dichotomous variables. Multiple linear regression is the regression in which we have one dependent variable, which could be interval or ratio, whereas we have two or more than two independent variables in multiple linear regression. Logistic regression is the regression in which we have one dependent variable, but that variable has to be of dichotomous or binary type. And there can be two or more than two independent variables, and independent variables can be of any type like interval, ratio, dichotomous or continuous variables. This is the difference between linear and logistic regressions.